Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a pretty cool move. It's the rocking Hindu abductor push-up. I'm just gonna show you what it looks like. So this is rocking. The rocking Hindu push-up would be this. All right, you've seen that before. This is adductor rocking. You've seen this before too. You're welcome though, this still feels good. And the rocking adductor Hindu push-up would be this. You're welcome. You gotta try this. So again, you have two legs, do both sides. So you can rock, and then you can do the adductor rocking push-up. My. Hello, adductors. They've missed me. All right, guys. You gotta try it. The adductor rocking Hindu push-up. Feels good for your adductors. All the wonderful benefits of the Hindu push-up. Kind of one side at a time, but it's awesome. All right, guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net. To train with Tim, go to osi-online.com.